Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Haiku Pauwela, local and long-distance movers near me. We take pleasure in our excellent long-distance moving services at 3 Movers. You can employ our expert logistics staff, qualified movers, and drivers who work with a fleet of well-maintained vehicles capable of transporting any amount of stuff throughout the country. We are also a fully licensed and insured moving company, so you can be assured that your possessions will arrive at their new location safely and scheduled on time. When you're moving out and about, you may face a variety of problems. These include strain physically and mentally of sorting through your property, as well as lifting large furniture and appliances onto a moving truck. That's when 3 Movers comes in to help you, and you forget about your concerns. We have a fantastic, competent crew of local movers that can manage any local move from one location to the other in Haiku Pauwela or other areas within a 100-mile radius. We pack accordingly based on size, and all of our local moving services are priced transparently. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Haiku Pauwela moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.